Today I'm just going to make the perfect rice tutorial. This is my way of making rice, and basically you got your saucepan and you got 1 cup of rice. Okay, that's it. So that serves about 2 portions. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this cup of rice into the saucepan. There we go. And then I'm just going to really wash this rice out, and then I'm going to put it in a really slow heat. And then you're going to have the perfect rice. Okay, I tend to wash this with warm water. So really sort of wash this out. Any starch, you want to take it out. Just keep sort of mixing it. And as you can see, all the starch. You want to take all that out. I tend to drain it a few times. So just drain it a few times. Like so. Put it back in the water. Give it a little zhazhazhum. Keep doing that till all the starchy watchy gets out. Okay, so I'm making rice for 2. And this is the way I have always made rice. I never get it wrong. It's always perfect. Rinse it again. And maybe one more wash this time. Okay, keep rinsing it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your water in. So I'm just going to drain it out one more time. And then I'm going to add the water. So essentially it's 1 cup of water. Okay, 1 cup of water. Come on, water. Taking your time, governor. Oh, there we go. 1 cup, a little bit more. Right to the top. Keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop. Put that in. And then what you want to do is you want to put this on a slow heat. Okay guys, put it on a slow heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Give it a stir in between and it should be ready. Make sure your lid's on as well. My heat is very, very low. Make sure you put the lid on. And once you put the lid on, let that cook. If it simmers over, just reduce the heat. Give it a stir in about 5 minutes. Once it starts boiling a little bit, just to take out any sort of pockets. And we'll see how this turns out. Right, this has been cooking for about 7 minutes now. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. What I tend to also do is I tend to just sort of aerate it a little bit around the edges like this. Okay, just do that. Just put some holes maybe. Okay, and then just put the lid back on. And then let it cook for another couple more minutes. And we are done. Okay, this is I think is done now. So if I open it up, voila. You can sort of grab a couple of rice, pinch them. If I take a little bit of this, just turn it around. So you can see this a little bit better maybe. Oh, that's not very good, is it? Whee! Let's go back to this side. And you can see that's absolutely perfect. Perfect rice, always. Basically just 1 cup. Wash it about 3-4 times till all the starch come out. 1 cup of water, just maybe a little bit more. Really, really slow heat. Aerate it a few times. Bang, bing, bush. Perfect rice every single time. Thanks for watching. See you for the next one.